Hello students, welcome to English class. I am your English teacher. So students, today we are going to learn the first poem from the unit number 1, Don't Give Up. So first let's take some information about the poem. This poem gives us a clear message of the importance of trying and trying again. If we have lost in a certain situation of life, we must not give up hope, but try again with a positive thinking. It may take many years for us to be successful in our life. We may have to cross many barriers, but we may not lose hope, and one day we will be a winner. So let's read the whole poem and then discuss it stanza by stanza. Don't give up. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Written by Phoebe Cary. So students, let's learn the first stanza. Let's read it. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. So we have read the first stanza. Through this stanza we understand that if we tried hard for something but we don't get success in it, at that time we should not lose our hope. But when we patiently keep on trying for something, one day definitely we will get success in that. So students, let's learn the second stanza. Let's read it. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. So students, we have read the second stanza. Through this stanza we understand that here poet gives us an example of a bird. When the bird was baby, his wings were not strong. That time if he tries to fly, he fall down. But bird never lost hope, and he tries and tries, and after many tries his wings grow stronger, and then that time with strong wings he can fly high in the sky. So in any situation we should not get depressed. We should think positive and keep practicing. So now students, let's read the third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grow loftier and prouder. So students, again the poet Phoebe Cary gives us another example. We know that oak trees are one of the very strong and valuable trees. Its wood used in furniture. So poet tells us that we should take an example of oak tree, because many natural calamities come and try to destroy or bow down the oak tree, but oak tree never afraid of these problems. When the calamities goes, this oak tree rises again and grow. It grows straight high with confidence. So students, let's learn the last stanza. Let's read it. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you. Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. So students, by this stanza we understand that if we get defeated by easy work, that means if we cannot do good in easy works, that time who will appreciate us? No one. No one will praise us. No one will speak good about us. Why? Because we do not practice good things. But when we try for success, when we practice more and more, and we gain victory from defeat, that time we become winner. This kind of difficult test can try our strength, patience and positive attitude and makes us the winner. So students, this is the homework. Write down the poem and meanings given below. Write the answers of given questions. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.